Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Home rooms and devices to new speaker, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your new speaker is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Google Home. Open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Select the icon for the old speaker that you want to transfer devices from. Next, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the room option to view the assigned room. Take note of the current room designation for later reference. Now, return to the main screen of the Google Home app. Tap on the icon for your new speaker to open its settings. Again, select the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and choose room to assign a new room for your new speaker. Select the same room that your old speaker was in, or create a new room if needed. Once you have made your selection, confirm the changes. To transfer individual devices, go back to the main screen of the Google Home app. Tap on the old speaker to view all devices linked to it. Select the device you want to transfer. Next, tap on the settings gear icon for that device. Scroll down and select the option to room. Choose the new speaker's room from the list to relocate the device. Repeat this process for each device you wish to transfer. Once you have transferred all desired devices, exit the settings. Finally, test the setup by asking your new speaker to control the devices, confirming everything works correctly. You have now successfully transferred your Google Home rooms and devices to your new speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.